How are you doing? How are you doing? Super excited today. Very short training, but it is super transformational in your Pinterest efforts. Now, I'm sure you all know Canva or PicMonkey or any of the resources you use to create, edit, and add text overlays and add logos and things to your images for Pinterest, and for Pinterest especially, and for your social media. Now I'm focusing on Pinterest, and today I want to show you a new functionality on Pinterest that potentially could divert you from Canva, at least for your Pinterest efforts. You can literally do everything inside of Pinterest. Add text overlay, add your logo, add all kinds of exciting things inside of Pinterest of your pins. I'm gonna do one very quickly and show you how to do it. I'm so excited to show this to you, and I'm sure obviously outside of using Tailwind, Pinterest is saying we want to give you everything you need inside of Pinterest to create amazing images. So let's get started. First of all, you just click on that and you create a pin or product pin. Now you can create a story pin, but I'm just gonna create a pin. Now before that, on here you had add a pin. Now you can create a pin inside of Pinterest. Here's how you do it. Let me take us back to the profile so that I can do this properly. Okay, now I go and do that. I create or add a pin, and when I click on that, I can go and pick any picture I want. So I'm gonna pick a picture that will allow me to create a pin that I wanna create. Right here beside the pin, you now have two little functionalities. You can delete the image or you can edit the pin. And when you do that, this is when it gets exciting. Now I'm gonna add my logo to the pin. Now this little star right here allows you to add your logo. Now before I add the logo, I'm gonna choose which one of these I want my pin to be. If I choose that, I can choose that. It expands it and makes it a little bit wider. That can make it square. So Pinterest is saying we actually accept shorter images, square images, or I can keep it long. When I click adjust, it can rotate it any which way I want. You can flip the image horizontally. You can flip the image any which way you want. You can resize the image. You can add an image if you want to. You can replace the image or delete it. All right. Now we are going to add a logo. You can crop and rotate the image, but we're not going to do that. Okay. We're just going to add a logo. We already have my logo uploaded. In order to upload your logo, all you have to do is click that little square with a plus sign in there. It will take you to where you save your images, and you can pick whichever image is your logo. For instance, I could pick a different one. I could add a different logo to my images. I could pick this one. So I now have two images I can use as a logo. It puts it there. Now you cannot really move it further than that, but you can change it to a whole different. You can increase its size, obviously. You can move it to the other corner. You can move it to the other corner. You can center it. You can move it to the top center. You can move it to the corner where it was before. So all you have to do is just play with these little positioning, and just tells you this is where you want to position your logo. But we are gonna use a different logo altogether because it's transparent, so it doesn't leave a white background like this did. I'm gonna leave that one there. I could put it on this corner. It might look nice there, and I could increase the size of it so that it's clearer. I think I would put it back where it was before. Now, once we've done the logo, we're gonna add text overlay. You can choose different suggested fonts in order to add text to your image. And now when I look at overlock, I like Boogaloo. Now you can change the color of your text to your brand colors. My brand colors are red and green and gold. So all my brand colors are there. Or you can change, or you can, these are at the moment the existing colors. Okay, so I'm gonna use this as my text. Once I'm done, I can center my text. I can put it at the top, I can center it, or I can put it right at the bottom. So I'm going to put it at the top because there's more room, there's less busyness right there. And I'm going to add some text. How to make more money online this Christmas. Now at the moment, there is no way to actually expand this and move this and put like little boxes or circles around it. But you know what? I'm not complaining. I'm not complaining at all because this is amazing. Now we can go back to the logo, or if you want to move that logo, to the center. You just have to click the star, and you can then move your logo to the center. What are the margins? You can move the margins. Beautiful. And there you are. You've got your image ready. Now all you have to do is decide, is this good enough? This gives you the tutorials. Crop your image to the aspect that suits you best. Add your logo with the star. Add your text on the A. You can crop and do whatever you want. Want to refresh, clear any changes you made, you can do that there by clicking reset. And when you're done, click at update changes, and you do that. And now you are ready to add your title to your pin. Make more money online. Okay, and then you can say go and look for, I'm gonna bring this text from here and bring it over here. Potentially remove all that, and just get all digital programs out your hand, and also have an opportunity to make up to 40% commissions on sales of some products. And you add your hashtags, and then add your destination link, and we are good to go. Now choose where you want this to be pinned, obviously, because you don't want to for it to be pinned in the wrong place. You want it to be pinned in the right place. So I've gone through all there, so I'm gonna bring it to Make Money Online. I'm gonna publish it. There you are. Beautiful. And you can see your pin. There you go. You have created a pin right inside of Pinterest. Obviously you would need to have an image. I don't think they've added any stock images yet. You can add your text overlay, you can add your logo, you would add your link, and do the descriptions and everything right inside of Pinterest. It is super exciting. And then you can copy that and you can go and embed it in your blog. You can share it on other social platforms. You can tweet it, you can IG it, you can do all other things. If you have Tailwind, you can also schedule it, which you can do right here by just clicking on the Tailwind icon and extension, log in as quickly as you can. So that is it, guys. That was what I wanted to share with you. Very exciting. Obviously you need to have a ton load of stock images or images you've taken with a very clear camera. Usually your phone images are not as clear and do not have the right they pixelate a lot. So get some great images on stock. I have a ton load of such images, of a list of 100 places you can find images royalty free inside of the Pinterest Growth Academy. You can learn more about that at kalungigroup.com/pintastic. kalungigroup.com/pintastic. That's coming across your screen right now. I cannot tell you how exciting it is, how 2020 is going to be exciting for you if you commit to grabbing the Pinterest Growth Academy. It was on sale on Black Friday. If you are early, you could still grab a sale of that product inside of our Cyber Monday deals. So go for it, and let's get you 2020 and a new decade filled with abundance. Thank you for watching. God bless you. Bye.